fired. She's in suspension. What happened when you at your job and you fuck up? What they do?
Fire.
They suspend your ass, bitch. My Twitter, you have to put in my Twitter, you have to put in Chief underscore Messiah. And then put in Twitter on Google, and then it'll come up. But Doctor, we gonna talk to Efuru when we get to Dr. Bishop. Ready, honey? Ooh, that feels. Ooh.
Edgy, this is the inside. This where it's the most.
Yeah.
When we be coming from the beach, my hair be so itchy, I'll be like, heck out of my
But she's doing my hair right now because I need my motherfucking hair done. Goddamn it.
I say, well, I got some.
I might not know her nipple out because she got damn.
You know?
Yeah, she knew. Because the shirt is just inappropriate for Vigo. Yeah, it's just the shirt is inappropriate, and you knew it. Yeah. We live, come on. Five G's a week, my nigga. Come on, bro. We need to get this shit together. Come on. You fucking up the church's money. Ready? Eye contact and it was over. That's when I was wildin' out. Could've been less about someone getting hurt, but now I oh yeah. You don't want to shampoo now? One night stand, some of the days I can't remember. I wish there was an app that let us be naked, nigga. I'd be naked than a motherfucker on this bitch.
Why should we find an app that actually exists like that?
It's called fans on OnlyFans, but see on the OnlyFans they won't let me get that bitch. I put my ID in, but they won't let me get it. They don't let me get OnlyFans. They don't let me do it. I might be white, like they got me on a blacklist or something. Bitch, they won't let me get on that motherfucker for no reason. I did everything I'm supposed to do to get up on there, man. They won't let me on that bitch. We even tried with other people's ID in the camp, and they still don't let us on there. And I took it as a sign that the universe don't want me to put it on there. So I just did it Twitter, because Twitter works. If it works, I go with it. If it's a struggle to do it, I don't do it. I learned that in life. Like when you try to force something and it don't work, you going against your, you know what I'm saying? You could say the universe or your ancestors or whatever. It's things that's trying to protect you, bruh. Cause I'd probably be wilding the fuck out if I could, man, I'd be doing all kind of wild shit. Yeah, you gotta know how to take the signs and shit. Like I learned that over time, man. When something don't work and you get that feeling that something is trying to keep you from something.
I was just saying.
Watch your attitude. Watch your attitude, yo. Watch your fucking attitude when you touching my hair, yo. So good with them and they not ready. I said the girl is so good, but them and they not ready. That believe tight to can't believe I almost like you. Fuck up you with the tattoo. What you gotta be a tough for? What you gotta be a tough for? Then you wanna get that more. You gotta be a tough for. Before I took it out, I didn't know who she was. She knew all the niggas bottles in the club. They wanted to believe it, I was thinking that. And had no good vibes like that in the wild. But this bitch playing your bill. I'm just keeping it all the way real. You know I'm telling the truth, I'm sitting there in it. She ain't call me murder, let her call me Lily. White she material, she not it. Can't believe I had my people in that bitch. Gotta do better, since do better. Now I got a bunch of bras like you have. Whoa, them man not ready. I said the girl is slow, them man not ready. That game I used to like it.